Hi guys, Namaste, sending you love, light and gratitude. I am just going to take you for a little walk into our local beautiful forest. Fairies, goblins, and all the multidimensional divine beings that live here, and many spiritual realms, as well our nature. Just one beautiful place. Beautiful place. Please spend the time with yourself or with your loved ones. Enjoy little outdoors around the water, and just let all the shit that doesn't, let everything that doesn't serves you, just let it go. Look at the beautiful water, guys. Let it go, like the flow. Be kind to yourself. Many people may try to be kind to you and love you. It's hard for people to deal with themselves sometimes, so forgive them all and let it flow. Nature loves you, you love you guys. You're not alone in this. You know, you stay strong. You stay strong and you keep going. And go out, connect with your ancestors. Hear the silence, beautiful nature singing for you guys. You know, instead of sitting home and listening artificial sounds of nature, maybe we can go out sometimes and seek the sound and experience the sound. And maybe have the nature surprise you for how much the love is there for you. Once we connect, when we brings our vibrations and higher levels, and we connect with all this beauty all around us, it projects from all around us. It will projects within us. We will feel the love. Beautiful energies. Let me see. I'm going to whistle. See if any special spirits will come. Let me just activate it. I'll see if our eagles will fly, or the ravens, or the crows. But check it out, the trees. How they dancing, talking to us, communicating to us. Each tree has its different language, different sound. Listen, I'm making these videos for all of you who is not capable of going out, or motivate you to get away from the computers and go in nature. Look at so many beautiful, mysterious, just to walk through the forest, just to walk through here, and all kind of different. Look at that. Someone's walking through here already. Well, perhaps another time we can explore this. I don't have enough clothing today on. This is where I go, where I need to go, you know, just find a piece of nature where I can really truly connect with all the ancient ones without that white sound of humanity. Look at this beautiful place. See, finding the inner peace inside you, it's one of the most beautiful gifts your higher self can ever offer you. It's just beautiful. And going out and hiking and connecting. In our beautiful nature. And smelling different, only different air in the forest. You know, when we visit the nature, we become more tired, we become really oxygenated. And going into the forest and putting our hands on the trees that needs healing, love, sending the love and appreciation and gratitude for all the trees, for all the love that they're giving to humanity, giving them the love and healing, and thank them for everything they're doing for us and animals, giving them the love, protection, as much that we can, sending them the love, light, gratitude, respect, appreciation for the oxygen that they're providing for all of us. Gotta move. Mosquitoes are being aggressive tonight again. Loving the trees, loving them as our own families, for everything that they're offering to us, leaving the appreciations, gifts, and around the trees. Anyone who has a crystals, if you finish working with your crystals, can return them to the nature, find appropriate spot for them, implant the crystals around trees, please. They will deliver lots of healing. Connecting through our feet, taking the shoes when we can, but just even sending that intention. Magical, huh? Look at that. Gotta see if there is any humming or birds here during daytime, perhaps tomorrow. Look at the ancient ones standing there and watching, being witness to the humanity and all the soul evolution of every human that come around and spend some time here. Everyone imprint their energies. Wonderful, wonderful. And it's amazing that I can take you now to come with me for these walks. I don't even realize, I didn't even know. I haven't thought about it before. So we can make the videos now on my walks. Maybe let you a little bit experience the beauty all around. Look how much goldenrod is here, guys. Wow. So much blessings to this land. So much blessings. Look at this. One day we have to come here during a daytime, but even in snow time, it's absolutely amazing here. Every season it's very different, and it's offer different experiences. I'm going to just take you up to here, to a little bit deeper level of the forest. And then I'm turning around and turning the camera off. But explore your community, explore your surroundings within your community, and have fun. Bring your family around and enjoy. I gotta go. The mosquitoes are being really aggressive. So have fun, guys. Love you so much. And see you later. Blessings.